Sol's AI Prompt Playbook. Lesson 1. How to write effective prompts. Prompts are like recipes. If you leave out ingredients, you won't like the final dish. The same goes for AI. Without the right context, structure, and flow, you'll get vague, messy answers. Today we're kicking off Sol's AI Prompt Playbook with Lesson 1. How to write effective prompts that actually get results. Step 1. Context first. Always start with context. Don't just say, "Write me a movie." That's too vague. Instead, try. Write me a 90-minute suspense movie set in the mountains, with two main characters, one a scientist and one a climber. The more context you give, the closer the result matches what you imagined. Why it matters. Context guides the AI like GPS directions. Without it, you're asking for anywhere. Common mistake. People assume the AI will read their mind. It won't. Be specific about genre, setting, characters, or audience. Step 2. Vocabulary and verbs. Use strong action verbs. Instead of saying, "Look at this data," say, "Analyze this data." Quote. Instead of, "Check this article," say, "Summarize this article in 200 words." Quote. Words like analyze, compare, summarize, identify, and explain are like power switches for AI. They tell it exactly what to do. Why it matters. Verbs create action. AI follows your lead. Common mistake. Soft words like "tell me about" often lead to vague, surface-level answers. Step 3. Direction. Set the direction for how the answer should look. For example, summarize this article in 3 bullet points for a beginner audience. Quote. Now the AI knows the length, the format, and the audience. That's like giving both the recipe and the plating instructions. Why it matters. Without direction, you'll often get too much or too little. Common mistake. Forgetting to say how you want it delivered. Long form, short summary, bullet list, or tutorial style. Step 4. Punctuation matters. Periods are full stops. They separate thoughts and give the AI clean instructions. Commas connect related ideas but don't overload them. If you write one long sentence with no punctuation, the AI may skip parts or blur them together. Why it matters. Good prompts read like clean sentences, not run-on thoughts. Common mistake. Treating the AI like it can parse messy writing. It reads better when you write better. Step 5. Boundaries. Boundaries keep the response inside the box. Instead of saying, "Tell me about investing," say, "Explain 3 beginner investing strategies in under 200 words." Quote, that sets the size of the pan, so the recipe doesn't spill over. Why it matters. Limits make the response sharper and easier to use. Common mistake. Asking for everything, and then feeling overwhelmed by the answer. Step 6. Structure and stacking. Structure your prompt like a checklist. For example, explain the concept. Give me one example. End with one practical tip I can use today. Quote, that's stacking. It keeps the answer organized and actionable. Why it matters. Structured prompts produce structured outputs. Common mistake. Asking for multiple things in one run-on sentence. AI often skips half of what you asked. Step 7. Iteration. Don't stop at the first answer. If it's too complex, ask, "Rewrite this in simple language." If it's too long, say, "Cut this down to a 1-minute explanation." Quote, prompting is not one and done. It's an iterative process, just like revising a draft. Why it matters? Iteration helps you get closer to exactly what you need. Common mistake. Thinking a bad first answer means AI failed. Often, it means the prompt needs tweaking. Final master prompt. All ingredients stacked. Act as my AI coach. Analyze the last 12 months of tech sector performance and highlight the 3 strongest companies. Explain the drivers of growth in under 200 words. Use simple language as if you're explaining to a beginner, and end with one follow-up question I should ask to learn more. If you liked this lesson from Sol's AI Prompt Playbook, hit the like button. It helps the channel and tells the algorithm to share this with more people. Save this video so you can come back to the examples later and share it with a friend who's trying to figure out how to get better results from AI. And follow AI Edge Hub, because Lesson 2 is coming soon. How to add context for personalized answers. These tips are not programming advice. They're practical writing skills to help you communicate with AI more effectively.